We've all been there. You reach for your iPhone, tap an app, and nothing. Or maybe you're scrolling through photos and the whole device feels like it's wading through mud. Over time, even the newest iPhones can start to feel sluggish. It's frustrating, but it's not inevitable. Your phone isn't broken. It's just cluttered, overloaded, or needs a digital tune-up. The good news: you don't need to buy a new phone. You just need to know where to look. We've compiled the 5 most effective, game-changing tricks that will wipe the digital dust off your phone. These tricks address everything from hidden background processes to bloated storage that's secretly draining your resources. Get ready to transform your device. Before we dive into the first trick, let us know. Share your thoughts in the comments on how old your current iPhone is. The first culprit is often your web browser. Every site you visit stores cookies, images, and data known as a cache. Over months, this cache can become huge, causing Safari itself to slow down and struggle to load new pages. Go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, and select Clear History and Website Data. This simple action immediately frees up gigabytes of space and forces Safari to build a clean slate, resulting in faster page loads and a smoother browsing experience. You will need to relog into some websites, but the speed increase is worth it. Many users don't realize their iPhone is constantly doing work behind the scenes. By default, the App Store automatically downloads app updates and media across all your connected devices, a massive resource hog. Go to Settings, tap on App Store, and toggle off app updates and automatic downloads. When these are running in the background, they steal processor power and battery life, slowing down the app you're actually using. Turning them off ensures your phone only uses its full power when you tell it to. You can manually update apps at night or when you're not using the phone. This is perhaps the biggest hidden culprit responsible for iPhone lag: background app refresh. This feature allows apps like Facebook, Instagram, and news readers to constantly update their content even when they aren't open. This means your phone's memory, or RAM, is always full, leaving less space for the app you're actually trying to use. Think of these apps as zombies constantly feeding on your phone's resources. Go to Settings, select General, then tap Background App Refresh. You have 2 options here. You can either toggle the feature off completely, the fastest fix, or you can selectively turn off the worst offenders. Look for apps that you don't need real-time notifications from, like games, shopping apps, or banking apps. Disabling this frees up a huge amount of RAM, allowing the operating system to allocate resources directly to the foreground app, resulting in immediate speed improvements across the board. The difference this makes is often astonishing. When your phone's storage is almost full, usually when it's 90% or more utilized, the operating system starts struggling because it doesn't have room to write temporary files, swap data, or manage updates. This is why a full phone feels painfully slow. Go to Settings, then General, and tap iPhone Storage. Look for the 2 biggest categories: Photos, Videos, and Apps. Photos. Use the optimized iPhone storage feature to store full-resolution originals in the cloud while keeping smaller, space-saving versions on your device. Apps. Scroll through the list and delete apps you haven't used in months. Look for games and video editors. They are often the biggest offenders. The Offload App feature is great. It deletes the app itself, but keeps your data, so you can restore it later without losing progress. Aim to keep at least 10% of your total storage free. This provides the necessary headroom for iOS to run efficiently, instantly fixing slowdowns associated with low memory. iPhones use beautiful but computationally expensive visual effects, like parallax depth, zooming transitions when opening and closing apps, and fancy transparency effects. These are great to look at, but they tax the GPU and CPU, especially on older models. Go to Settings, select Accessibility, then Motion, and toggle Reduce Motion on. While you're there, go back to Display and Text Size and toggle on Reduce Transparency. Turning these off replaces the complex animations with simple, fast fades. This dramatically reduces the workload on your phone's processor, making the device feel much faster because the transitions themselves happen instantly. It's a massive win for perceived speed. So there you have it, 5 proven tricks to breathe new life into your iPhone. From clearing out the digital dust of your browser cache to shutting down those resource-hogging background apps and optimizing your visual effects, these actions are the key to a faster, smoother experience. To maintain that speed, make storage management a regular habit and try a simple restart once a week. It's the classic fix for a reason. Remember, you don't need the latest and greatest gadget. You just need to maximize the potential of the device you already own. Thank you for tuning in. Now it's time to put these tricks to the test. We want to know. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which of these 5 tricks made the biggest difference to your phone speed. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos every weekday.